Welcome everyone, here's how you lock the Reddit app in your iPhone. So the first step is we will need to open up the clock app. Yes, the clock app. You're then going to find timer. You'll then see here when timer ends. You just want to select stop playing and then tap on set. From here we want to open up the shortcuts app. This app should be built into your iPhone. If it's not, then download it from the App Store. It's completely free. You will see an option to either create personal automation. If you don't, just tap on the plus, then create personal automation. From here, we just want to find where it says app. We're going to tap on choose, and we want to choose the Reddit app. Tap on done. We'll tap on next, add action, and you're going to search for timer here. Tap on start timer. You will see starts timer 4. Just enter in here 1, then change minute to seconds. Then tap on next. Very important, you turn off ask before running. Then tap on don't ask, and then done. So now when you open up the Reddit app, after a second it will lock. You will need the Face ID, the passcode, or the Touch ID. And once you enter that in, you'll be good to go. Even if the app was opened up in the past, when you go back into it, after a second it will relock every single time. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.